How to define your target patient using marketing. Hi, my name is Daniela. I'm a specialist in communication for healthcare with over 5 years experience in the private and public sector of healthcare, and I am here to share you some tips on how you can define your target patient through marketing. So for this, we have two possible strategies you can use. The first one is the strategy by volume, and its name kind of gives it away. It means that your pricing is going to be the most competitive aspect that you have. You have really great pricing among the competition and you want to sell by volume because your pricing is going to be accessible for the majority or a good portion of the population. So everything that we're going to market, everything in terms of content is going to be made into your pricing or special sales that you're offering. The second strategy is the exclusivity strategy, meaning that you are going to sell an experience, not just a product, not just a service. Coming to you, it's a luxury experience. So we're gonna reach a very small number of the population because that small number of population is the one that is going to actually have the buying power and the money to afford your services. You are premium, you are top of the line. And so everything around marketing is never going to be about the price. It's going to be about how enjoyable and how literally an experience it is to come to you. So let me know in the comments if you're interested in more tips like this.